Well, an intense heat wave is sweeping across North India. Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and other states are fighting unabating heat conditions. In the capital, power demand surged to record as temperatures remained above the 45-degree mark. The Indian Met Department has issued an orange alert in the capital along with Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, while a red alert has been sounded in Uttar Pradesh. A yellow alert has been sounded in hill areas as Jammu and Himachal too see the mercury rising.
वेस्ट उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए हमारा आने वाले 2 दिनों के लिए रेड अलर्ट है। ईस्ट उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए आज के लिए रेड अलर्ट है। फिर भी अगर नॉर्मली आप कहें कि जब तक मानसून आता नहीं है, मानसून जैसे इसका नॉर्मल डेट 30 जून तक कवर करता है एनसीआर दिल्ली, तो तब तक हीट वेव टेम्परेचर्स 42 डिग्री से अबव रहने का अनुमान है। जून में जनरली टेम्परेचर इतने रहते ही हैं।
Well, the prolonged heat wave has now led to a massive spike in heat-related health issues, and cases of heat stroke and dehydration are on the rise across India. The health minister reviewed preparedness and issued an advisory to all government hospitals and medical colleges to give priority treatment to those admitted due to heat wave. He also directed officials to ensure special heat wave units are started so that the best possible care is given to the patients.
Currently also we're reporting from right outside Safdarjung Hospital. We were inside the hospital as well, and we saw that more rooms are being set up for patients, and but what also we saw on the ground was that air conditioning was not working properly. It was a first-hand account that we witnessed that air conditioning was also not proper and people were suffering. And in fact, while we were also there, we also witnessed a power cut, and while speaking to the guards there, we found out that that was the 5th or the 6th power cut since the last 5 hours. So for the people in the national capital, especially those who are currently admitted in hospitals, it is not a great situation.
Akanksha is getting us more details. Akanksha, in wake of the heat wave, certain guidelines, advisories also have been issued to people to ensure that they increase their intake of water. They do not step out when the heat wave warning has been given.
Well, absolutely, and also yesterday Union Health Ministry took stock of the situation and also issued a health advisory. Remember, last week Union Health Minister JP Nadda took charge of the ministry, and this is the first task before him, and yesterday he held a meeting. After that he issued slew of directions to the hospitals here in the national capital, the most important being that all the hospitals will have to have, especially the central government hospitals, will have to have special heat wave units. Remember, RML had started it last month. They have a separate unit for the patients who are complaining about the heat stroke. But now all these central hospitals in the national capital today will be setting up the heat wave unit separately. So these are the directions that have been given by the Union Health Ministry. But definitely the hospitalization of the patients coming of heat stroke is increasing. Yesterday there was 1 death in RML hospital, 5 deaths in the last few days. In Safdarjung there were 2 deaths. In LNJP there were 3 deaths. So definitely the deaths as far as heat stroke is concerned is definitely increasing. But because today the weather is fine, it is about to rain, and IMD has also said that there's a possibility of rain today as well as tomorrow. So there could be some respite for the people of the national capital.
All right, Akanksha, stay on with us. In fact, on our screens, we're playing out that information about the Delhi Disaster Management Authority issuing guidelines. It has asked people to drink lots of water, ORS, lassi, lemon water. Basically, keep yourself hydrated. Avoid outdoor activities, especially when the heat wave warning has been given. Increase your intake of water. Wear light clothes and porous cotton clothes. Use protective goggles, umbrella, hat, shoes. Ensure that you protect yourself from sunlight. Do not come in touch or do not expose yourself to direct sunlight. Those are some of the guidelines that have been issued by the DDMA to ensure that you are not impacted by heat wave. Let's now shift our focus to